After crossing into California, we found ourselves cycling among the giant redwood trees. Our first night of camping was in a place called Mill Creek Campground that is located within the Del Norte Coast Redwoods State Park. We enjoy a nice long hike within the state park before packing up and hitting the road again. The coastal redwoods are said to live more than 2,000 years, have a height of 379 feet, a base diameter of up to 26 feet, and weigh about 1,200 tons. Hey there. So we've taken a little side road off 101 and we start hearing the seals barking off to our right. And sure enough, you can't see them because it's so foggy, but they're down there. I don't know if you can hear them. Be real quiet and turn you towards the little bit of rocks we can see and see if you can pick them up on the mic here. Pretty crazy. I hope it come out. We'll see later. Pretty loud. So yeah, we're working our way down the coast of California 101. Eventually we'll pick up Highway 1. So yeah, it's pretty nice so far. Traffic's been real light, shoulder's been wide. Anyway, we're gonna stand here for a few minutes and just admire the or. Sadly, again, our GoPro has failed us. For the next week, we work our way down Highway 101 until we arrive just north of San Francisco. From here, the adventure continues down the Pacific Coast Highway. If you liked our video, please consider supporting our channel by rolling over that like button, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and as always, feel free to share our videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.